In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to ClickUp Workspace. Adding teammates to your ClickUp Workspace is one of the first things you'll want to do so you can actually collaborate on tasks, projects, and goals. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through inviting a new person, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few simple tips so everything goes smoothly. Let's start inside ClickUp. First, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp account and that you're in the correct workspace, especially if you belong to more than one. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see your usual spaces, folders, and lists on the left-hand side. Once you've confirmed that, go to your workspace home. This is the main hub where you can see your tasks, notifications, and key views for your work. If you're not already there, you can usually get to the home view from the menu on the left or the top navigation bar. Now, to bring someone new into this workspace, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. There, you should see an option labeled Invite. This is the button you'll use to start the process of adding new people. Go ahead and click on Invite. When you do, a pop-up or panel will appear where you can manage invitations. In this invite window, you'll see a field where you can type an email address. This is where you enter the email of the person you want to add to your ClickUp workspace. Take a moment to type their email carefully and double check for any typos, because if the email is incorrect, they won't receive the invite. You can usually add multiple people by entering additional email addresses one after another if your plan allows, but for now, just focus on the person you're inviting. Once their email address is entered correctly, look for the button that says Send Free Invite. This confirms that you want ClickUp to send an invitation email to that person. Click on Send Free Invite. After you do this, ClickUp will send them an email with a link to join your workspace. From there, they'll be guided to create an account or login, and once they accept the invitation, they'll appear in your workspace as a member or guest, depending on your settings. And that's all it takes to add someone